Last night we have a snow. It's a 10 to 12 inches or more. So it's hard for me to get up and walk in the snow outside. And actually it's so windy, super cold. Actually, if there is a snow, it's not that much cold. But if there is a wind, oh my goodness, super cold. Yeah, super cold. That's one thing bad if there is a... That's one thing bad if there is a wind. Look at the wind. If you see the trees, it's moving. This of course is super cold. So the snow is so pretty, but if there is no wind, it's okay to come out. If there is a wind, my goodness, I can't take it anymore. Super cold. It's really, stick in your body, even though you have a jacket. Oh, still super cold. So this is our life here in the US, in the part of Pennsylvania, in the part of East Coast. We have the snow. Did you see the wind? You cannot see the wind. If you can see the trees is moving because of this, because of the wind. Did you see how big is this? How high is this snow? Super good outside. These trees. It just come out, but I can't take it anymore.
My husband keep plowing. 2 days ready. Oh my goodness! Keep on plowing, honey! 2 days ready. Keep on plowing. Our life here, there's a snow. It's super lots of snow. This is the first time that I get, since I was here, this is the first time that we get the super high snow. Especially as our driveway is so long, it's really hard for us to get up here, especially in my car. My car is not, it's not all four-wheel drive, so it's hard.